Ganezi yatebwaho umukono agitebe kikuru cy'Obukama bwa Tooro arumuca Murembo rwa fotopoto kandi inganzi y'Obukama Steven Kiyenje niyo yataho umukono Obukama kandi Dr. Yona Baguma niwe yataho umukono w'ikitongore cya Naro.
We have witnessed a very significant function whereby Naro technologies have connected with the culture of the Tooro kingdom. And in this partnership, we intend to come together, to put technology into action, to drive out poverty out of this kingdom, to contribute to food security, to contribute to nutrition security, while ensuring sustainable environment.
Umukoro ogu gwetabirwa abahangu okurw'Obukama bwa Tooro hamwe n'abamba gavumenti ndengo zitari zimwe na zimwe hamwe n'abahinzi nk'akabonero karukworekangu bona bacire mu kukwatanisiza hamwe kurebekangu barwanisa endyambi eri omu kicweka mbigambo bye inganzi y'Obukama bwa Tooro Steven Kiyenje ashoborera imwe kwatanisa egi neija kweraho okucagika abahinzi mu Bukama bwa Tooro uteriho no kubaheza obukugu hamwe n'ebyo kukozesa nk'ekigendererwa cyo kwongera aha musharuro hamwe no kuhindura handya omu bantu bari kutuura omu Bukama bwa Tooro.
Now can help us not just the technology but to enforce the handling, the post-handling of food.
Muringo ngogume Dr. Yona Baguma uri mukuru w'ekitongore cya Naro ashoborera kucyura kikuru munonga okukora okucondoza hamwe no kwongera obukugu omu by'obuhinzi omu kicweka eki.
We shall promote technologies that integrate dairy with crop production. We commit as Naro to work with the kingdom to make sure that we will leapfrog transformation of the people.
Abantu bari kukira obwingi mu Bukama bwa Tooro n'abahinzi konka abamwe nabahinzira okurya konka ekyo Obukama buri kwenda ngo burwanise abantu batandike kwetahiza sente okurabira omu buhinzi n'oburiisa. Kurigirira hali Dr. Yona Ganezi neija kubahwera okushagika abahinzi hamwe n'abariisa omu kicweka eki bari kurabira omu kubahereza embibo ez'okubyara ebyokurya ebiine ekiriisa.
There's a high rate of stunting, and we Naro we have highly nutritious crop varieties. We have beans which are rich in zinc. We have beans which are rich in iron. We have maize which is rich in protein. We have sweet potato which is rich in vitamin A. We have a number of groundnut varieties which are rich in oil. And all this through this partnership will be brought to the kingdom to contribute to improve the nutrition.
Bibikiriaho ngazi y'Obukama Steven Kiyenje aiga abantu mu Bukama bwa Tooro okurwanisa obwerema ati uko kubahiga kukoresa amani kurebekangu babingo bworo mu kicweka eki.
Erera muno emyenda ya Tooro twena tulige mu Bugara tu abana bayigese kukora bakyali bato omwana imukekara agire kiyakora kongera ha ugayiga rundi hakurya n'ebindi byone bikorwa mukora n'abana
bakoraga gasha kwa Justin Nyakaiseki aba Sky TV agenshonga muri fotopoto.